Remember, O Lord, your tender mercies and your loving kindnesses, for they are from of old. Do not remember the sins of my youth, nor my transgressions. According to your mercy remember me, for your goodness' sake, O Lord. I would have lost heart, unless I had believed that I would see the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. What is desired in a man is kindness, and a poor man is better than a liar. Depart from evil and do good, seek peace and pursue it. Let no corrupt word proceed out of your mouth, but what is good for necessary edification, that it may impart grace to the hearers. Therefore be merciful, just as your Father also is merciful. Then you will understand righteousness and justice, equity, and every good path.